Hello, welcome to KDCI. Let's talk about property managers and why you should have one. Owning real estate properties can be challenging to manage and requires a lot of time and effort for handling tenants, maintenance, repairs, and ensuring maximum profits. Delegating these tasks to a professional property manager can help owners to achieve better results. So, what is another name for a property manager? A property manager, also known as a real estate manager, property administrator, property supervisor, or property asset manager, is responsible for managing real estate properties on behalf of owners or investors. The titles may have different connotations or refer to different types of properties, but they all require a hands on manager, especially when the owners are far from their properties. Now, what's the role of a property manager? A property manager takes care of all the areas involved in keeping a property in its best condition. Here's a comprehensive list of the most common duties that a property manager may perform. First, rent and lease management. A property manager is responsible for setting rental rates, collecting rent, enforcing lease agreements, handling evictions, and preparing monthly financial reports for property owners. Second, tenant management. A property manager finds and screens tenants, handles marketing for rental posts, manages existing tenants by handling complaints, requests and turnover, and ensures property occupancy. Third, maintenance and repairs. Property manager oversees regular maintenance, identifies structural issues needing repairs, and hires professionals to maintain the property's best state. Fourth, marketing and advertising. Property manager leads marketing and advertising efforts to find potential tenants, makes the property appealing, and conducts tours to attract tenants. Fifth, financial management. A property manager handles finances by setting budgets, managing the property owner's budget, forecasting expenses, allocating funds for property management, and providing detailed reports. Sixth, legal compliance. Property manager ensures property compliance with local, state, and federal laws and regulations, including fair housing and landlord tenant laws. Seventh, facility management. A property manager oversees daily operations of facilities, including security, cleaning, and landscaping, and ensures their maintenance and availability for tenants. Eighth, communication and reporting. A property manager provides clear and complete communication and reports to property owners, especially if the owner is far from the property, regarding the property's performance and responds promptly to questions and concerns from the owner or potential tenants. 9. Risk management. A property manager conducts a risk analysis and management for the property, identifies and mitigates potential risks such as security, safety, or liability issues. Next, you may be wondering, what's typically the overall goal of the property manager? The primary goal of a property manager is to maximize the value and profitability of a real estate property for the owner by ensuring smooth operations, maintaining the property, and creating a safe and comfortable environment for tenants. This helps to increase revenue and value while minimizing expenses and risks for the property owner or investor. At this point, you're likely wondering, why should you have a property manager? Having a property manager is completely optional, but equipping your property with one will benefit you in a lot of ways. Here are some reasons why you should have a property manager. Number one, time savings. Hiring a property manager can save time for property owners who find managing multiple properties or having a full-time job challenging. Property managers handle day-to-day tasks like tenant search, rent collection, and maintenance and repairs. Number two, expertise and experience. Property managers have specialized knowledge and experience in managing real estate properties. This can be helpful for new property owners or those with limited experience. They can assist with legal and regulatory issues as well, provide market insights, and help make informed decisions about the property. Number three, we have tenant screening and retention. A property manager's crucial task is to find and retain high quality tenants by conducting thorough tenant screenings to ensure reliability and financial stability. They also handle communication with tenants to address any issues that may arise, taking the burden off the property owner. Number four, cost savings. A property manager can help save costs in the long run by reducing maintenance and repair costs through regular inspections and addressing issues before they become major problems. They can also help maximize rental income through appropriate rental rates and effective marketing, despite involving additional costs. Number five, peace of mind. Hiring a property manager provides peace of mind since they handle all aspects of property management, from finding tenants to handling emergency repairs, resulting in the owner knowing that their property is in good hands. Now, if you're considering hiring a property manager, you may be asking, how much does it cost to have a property manager? The cost of hiring a property manager varies depending on factors such as location, property type, and services provided. Property management fees are typically charged as a percentage of monthly rental income, ranging from 8% to 12%. Other costs include leasing fees, vacancy fees, maintenance fees, and repair fees, all of which depend on the management agreement. Do you want to learn more about property management? KDCI has years of experience offering excellent and reliable property management services to some of the biggest homeowner associations and real estate investors. Visit kdci.co to learn more.